welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Calera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video, I'm here in a new community called Sky Falls. This is owned by DR Horton. They just opened up not too long ago, and today we are going to feature in my channel the 2660 plan. This is a two-story house. There's 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. Let's go inside and tour with me, guys. So welcome to the 2660 plan. Standard in this house is a video doorbell, keyless entry. As soon as you get in, you will be greeted by this nice foyer. This is the stairs going to the second floor. This side right here, it's a garage, 2-car garage. There is a coat closet here. And right across is a full bathroom right here. And this house, you guys, there is a bedroom downstairs. Again, this is perfect if you have a guest and you don't want them to go upstairs. And in this room, there is a standard closet. Another storage over here underneath the stairs, and now this is your open layout area, you guys. This huge living room right here. This is perfect for the coming holidays. I'm sure you want to move into your new house. Right here is your modern kitchen. I love this island in the middle. Comes with a dual stainless steel sink right here. Normally in DR Horton, it comes with the white paints. The green paints here, I think this is an upgrade, but there's plenty of space here, you guys. This is the side for your dining table. Right now they're using it as an office, sales office. And I'm going to show you guys the backyard on this house. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the backyard. I know. Normally, when you purchase a house in DR Horton, it comes with a dirt lot, but they will give you time to do your backyard. Now I'm going to show you guys your pantry. Right here, before we forget, this is the pantry right here. Okay, let's go upstairs and check the rest of the house. There is 4 bedroom upstairs and a loft. Welcome to the second floor. So right here, you guys, this is your primary bed. It's huge. I think the king size bed fits in this room. And I love that they added this huge window. I'm going to show you your primary bath. It's also a lot of space. It comes with a dual sink vanity. Just walk-in shower on this side. And then there is a linen closet. And this side right here is your water closet. And it comes with this door for privacy. And right this side, this is your walk-in closet. Huge, tons of space for your clothing and your purse and your shoes. A huge closet. Okay. Let's go check the rest of the secondary bedroom. But before that, I'm going to show you your laundry area right here. And right outside, there is a linen closet. Bedroom on this side. It's also a decent size. I love the color of the green wall, but this wall, this is part of an upgrade. Normally in the Horton, it comes with a white paint, but this room has a standard closet, you guys. It's pretty deep. Okay, and another bedroom on this side. And in this bedroom, there's also a standard closet. And then right across, there is a shared bathroom. It features this dual sink vanity and this is tub and shower combo. It has its own door. Don't you love that? It has its own door going to the bathroom. And right this side, another bedroom. Tons of bedroom here, I think. Again, this is the plan 2660. And in this bedroom, you guys, there is a walk-in closet. A decent size. And right here is the loft area, you guys. This is a space for entertaining, especially if you have kids and they want their own place to hang out when they're not in school. You can always convert this to a study room or a music room, but this is perfect. Okay, you guys, so again, this is the 2660 plan. The starting price is $505,000. It's 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. If you are interested in owning one of the homes in Sky Falls, again, this is located in north of Las Vegas. You can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can click subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.